Start our fourth lesson, that is the altitudes and medians of a triangle. In previous standard we learned about bisectors of a triangle, bisectors of angles of a triangle, as well as perpendicular bisectors of its sides are concurrent. Concurrent means they come in a single point, that they cross each other in a single point. The points of concurrence are respectively called incenter, means the point of concurrence of bisectors of angles of a triangle is known as the incenter, and point of concurrence of the perpendicular bisectors of its sides are known as the circumcenter of the triangle. Here they have given us an activity: draw a line and take a point outside the line and draw a perpendicular from the point to the line with the help of a set square. We have done this activity here. They have given a line. Here I have taken line PQ and point T is outside the line PQ. Now we have to draw a perpendicular to the line PQ from through the point T by using a set square. This is a set square. Now adjust set square like this. One side is on the line PQ and on other side there must be a point T. In such a way, then draw the perpendicular to the line PQ through point T. This is the activity given for you. You have to draw it in your notebook. Now our today's point is altitude. What is meant by the altitude and how it can be drawn. This is the triangle ABC. In this triangle there is a AP, is the altitude drawn on the side BC through the vertex A. What is meant by the altitude? The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called as the altitude of the triangle. Here there are the three vertices: vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Through A we have drawn here a perpendicular, that is the known as the altitude, and we can also draw through the point B and point C also. That means there are three altitudes to each triangle. In this diagram we have shown the altitude AP on the segment BC through the vertex A. Now our next point is to draw the altitude of a triangle. Here one triangle is given, triangle XYZ, and through it we have to draw the altitudes and we have to find the point of concurrence of these altitudes. Now see, there are the three vertices: vertex X, vertex Y and vertex Z. Through vertex X we have to draw altitude on side YZ. YZ is the base and we have to draw altitude from point X. Now put the set square like this. One side matches the base, that is the YZ, and on other side there must be a vertex, that is the X, and draw the altitude on side X, side YZ. The altitude is XR. Here one altitude is drawn. Now take the next vertex, that is the Y. Put the set square on the side ZX and adjust it like this, and then draw the next altitude, that is the altitude YQ. And now through the Z we have to take the side XY, adjust the sides and then draw the third altitude, that is the ZP. These are the three altitudes through the three vertices to a triangle XYZ. Now these three altitudes cross to each other in a single point, that is the O. It is a point of concurrence, and it is also the point of concurrence is called as the orthocenter of the triangle, and it is denoted by the letter O. This point is known as the orthocenter and it is denoted by the point O. Like this we can draw altitudes of any triangle. Now see the next point, the location of orthocenter of a triangle. Now there are different types of triangles, and then where are their location of orthocenter we have to learn here. Now here are given three triangles, that is the first is the right angle triangle, next is the obtuse angle triangle, and third is the acute angle triangle. See, in the right angle triangle, when we see there are the three vertices A, B and C, we have to draw altitude from these 3 points. Now when we draw the altitude from point A on the side BC, put the set square like this, you can understand that on BC the side which forms the right angle AB, it is also it is own is altitude of this side. That means the AB is the first altitude drawn from the vertex A on the side BC. Like this, BC is the next altitude. on the side ABC. Means the sides which are forming the right angle, these are both are the altitudes on side AB and side BC respectively. And then third, through point B or through vertex B, we have to draw altitude on side AC. Put the set square on AC and adjust it like this. We can draw the third altitude. Now see that the BT is the third altitude drawn on the side AC. When we see the point of concurrence, that is the orthocenter, it is on the vertex which forms the right angle triangle. Means the orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex of the right angle. Here B is the vertex of right angle. Therefore, in this triangle, in right angle triangle, vertex of the right angle triangle, there is a orthocenter of this triangle. In second, we see the obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, when we draw the, here PQR is the obtuse angle triangle. When we draw the altitudes, from P we draw this altitude, from R we draw this altitude, and from Q we draw this altitude. When we see the orthocenter of this altitude is outside the triangle, that means exterior of the triangle, that means the orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle is in the exterior of the triangle. And in the last triangle, that is the acute angle triangle, when we draw the altitudes from vertex A, vertex B and vertex C, I have drawn here by using the set square, we can see that the orthocenter of this triangle is inside the triangle, that means interior of the triangle. Means in right angle question number 2 and 4 from practice set 4.1. Some students don't understand the total English language in, so I will explain it in Marathi also. आज आपण अल्टिट्यूड म्हणजे काय पाहिले. अल्टिट्यूड म्हणजे काय सांगितले, एखाद्या ट्रायंगलच्या व्हर्टेक्स मधून ऑपोजिट साइडवरती काढलेला जो काही परपेंडिक्युलर, याला आपण अल्टिट्यूड असं म्हणतोय. तर ट्रायंगल मला आहे. या ठिकाणी आपण थांबतोय. धन्यवाद.